Knorr-Bremse provides a digital, innovative platform for Railway 4.0. User-friendly applications on a single platform using one onboard computer unit and a back office. Imagine if you could avoid accidents caused through excessive speed. In a city with many different road users, it's important to have safe public transport. If the train is travelling too fast, an acoustic and visual warning is shown to the driver. The driver may adjust the speed to the prevailing limit to reduce the risk of train derailment and tipping over. As a result, the train continues on safely. Knorr-Bremse Speed Alert provides improved safety for your passengers as well as assistance for the driver. The onboard computer unit collects and processes information from all connected systems. If a variance occurs, an acoustic and visual signal is sent to the driver cabin. Via a mobile connection, the acquired data and events are transmitted to the back office. With all these features, Knorr-Bremse Speed Alert offers real-time monitoring of the vehicle position and a detailed overview of any speeding events. In summary, Knorr-Bremse Speed Alert provides the following benefits: support for reduction of speeding accidents, supporting safe driving, reduced costs for repairs, higher availability of the vehicles, and easy plug-and-play. This is the flexible, expandable Knorr-Bremse solution for Railway 4.0.